And then what is a righteous man? What does a righteous man look like? Dear sister, is it just the individual who has a well-kept beard and some sort of head covering on his head, and perhaps he has a platform delivering talks here or there? This is the righteous man. This is perhaps part of righteousness, but is it righteousness? What do you know about this person behind his imam and behind his thawb and behind closed doors? What does he do? We don't want to think bad of people, but have you done your investigation? Or is it just a question of a DM, please marry me, you're so righteous? How do you know? What about his finances? Where does he get his money from? Many of these brothers who look like prophets, mashallah, serving up crack to their community when they leave the masjid. Brothers saying to me all of the time, you'd be surprised, Ya Ali, brothers on the front row, what they're doing behind closed doors. Is this person at odds with his mum and dad? Wallah, alhamdulillah, I pray, I fast, I have some da'wah, mashallah, I'm studying knowledge and aqidah, everything in place, mashallah. Yeah, but I don't speak to my dad. What type of religion is that? What type of hoax is that? You don't speak to your dad. Shu hada al-kalam, what is this? I have fallen out with my mum. What religion do you follow? Wallah, he's practicing. This is what I'm saying. What does a religious man and woman look like?